Good morning, student. I am B. Srinivas, lecturing Commerce, SRNK Government Degree College, Banswade. Welcome to today's video lesson about recruitment. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss about an important topic of human resource management and important step in employment process, which is recruitment. Here, recruitment is the most important step in the process of procurement of human resources. That's why we are going to discuss about this topic today. You know that recruitment, every business organization need human resources in various type of level, in various type of status to manage the business activities, to control the business activities, and to conduct the business activities according to the skills, knowledge, eligibility. The human resources will be recruited by the business organization. That's why here recruitment is an important role, plays an important role in human resource management. Here, after identifying the job need, after determining the job, it is necessary to recruit a suitable person in that place. Attract the people, mobilize the people, apply for the job, come to the business organization. This whole process will be treated as the recruitment. That's why recruitment is an important step in the process of employment also. Here definition. Let us see the definition of recruitment. Recruitment is a process to discover the source of manpower to meet the requirement of the staffing schedule and to employ effective selection of an efficient workforce. Here, manpower need in various level of working activities in the organization. It may be administration level, it may be production level, it may be selling level, or other activities, servicing activities. That's why after determining the job, after preparing a specific schedule for the procurement of suitable candidate for that job, then it is necessary to mobilize the skillful person, come to organization and apply for that post. It is necessary to procure skillful workforce in the organization. If organization procures skillful workforce in various level, then administration will be very good, activities will be conducted good. That's why organization will reach its goal very easily. Let us discuss about the objectives of recruitment. What are the main objectives behind the recruitment process? Discuss one by one point. Here, to attract people with multi-dimensional skills and experiences that suit the present and future organization strategies. I have told just now, it is necessary to attract the skillful person come to apply for that post. Then organization need a skillful person, an experienced person who has a good experience, who has a good skills. Then organization will give primary importance to that person. Okay, skillful person and experience. These two point plays here important role while recruitment. Why? Because workforce not only need to the present situation, but also it is necessary to see the future condition and future situation also. The second point, to induct outsiders with a new perspective to lead the company. Whenever organization newly established in the market, it is necessary to introduce itself with the people. Recruitment is a one good tool. Organization itself introduced to the new people by conducting a recruitment process. Simultaneously, organization will procure skillful persons who are needed by the organization. Next, third one, to infuse fresh blood at all level of the organization. You know that so many changes has taken place due to the changes arises in technology, in other conditions. Organization needed new skills. Due to these changes, it is necessary to recruit new skillful persons in various levels in the organization. Okay. Then fourth one, to develop an organization culture and attract competent people to company. One of the important objective behind the recruitment is organization itself need to develop its culture and create new employment opportunity in the society. Okay, both goal um, easily. One place organization provide employment opportunity to the society. At the same time, the need of organization also fulfilled. Next, fifth one, to search people whose skills fit the company values. It is necessary organization must see the suitable person whose skills and experience meet to the organization value. That's why it is necessary to conduct some recruitment process to identify such candidates. Next one, to devise methodologies for assessing psychological traits. It is okay. It is the another objective of recruitment. Recruitment useful as a tool to assess the psychological situation of the candidate who came to apply for the post in the organization. Who is a psychological condition is very good, they will be selected by the organization. That's why recruitment useful as to assess the psychological pattern of the candidate also. Next, to seek out non-conventional development grounds of talent. It is necessary today. You know that you see that so many changes arises due to the computerization, changes in technologies. Due to the changes arises in technology, production process, admission process change day by day. That's why it is necessary to adopt a new condition and modernization in the organization. That's why here another objective of the recruitment is to seek out non-conventional development ground of talent. Next, eighth one, to search talent for globally and not just within the country. Whenever company want to search candidate global level, company need very skillful persons and most talented person not only within the boundary line of our country throughout the world global level. Then recruitment play as a good tool to search and mobilize global level skillful candidates, attract them to come to organization and apply for post. Next one, to design entry pay that competence and quality but not on quantum. Here quality plays major role rather than quantity. Whenever organization required qualitative human resources, then organization will design the structure of pay scale to attract the skillful persons. That's why it is necessary to design entry pay that a competent will enhances on quality background. Next one, to anticipate and find a people for positions that do not exist yet. Whenever organization need some specific skillful person which are not available in existing place, then it is necessary to find out those required persons to anticipate and find people for positions that do not exist yet in the organization. Okay, these are the main objectives of recruitment. Let us see the various factors affecting the recruitment process. So many factors are there which are affect a recruitment process. These can be classified into two categories: internal factors and external factors. Internal factors mean within the organization. These will be controllable by the management. External factors, these are will not be controlled by the management. Okay, let us discuss about these factors. First, we will discuss about the internal factors, how these will be influenced to the recruitment process. Companies pay package. You know that pay package plays here major role in recruitment process. Whenever company requires skillful person, the pay package will be high. It will easily attract to the skillful person and experienced person. If pay package is low, then skillful persons and more experienced person will not attracted to the post in the organization. That's why whenever company determine the good pay package to required procure the skillful and experienced persons, then it will be easily attract such persons come to organization and put their applications. Then quality of work life. Quality of work life also play here vital role. It influence a very high level to the recruitment process. Whenever working conditions are very good, Organization provide various type of good conditions, working conditions simultaneously, various type of benefit to the employees. Then it is easily mobilized, attract the skillful persons and experienced persons. When quality of working life is very low, it will not be attract to the people. Then organization culture. Organizational culture also play here vital role. At one major factor which influence a lot to the recruitment process. When organization has good culture within the organization in various level, organization providing various type of benefit, good facilities to the workers, employees who are working in this organization, then this information will pass the good information in the society. That's why if organization culture is very good, easily attract the people come forward to the organization for the recruitment process. Then career planning and growth. Here, whenever the organization provide opportunity for career planning and a growth for the skills enhancement, inculcating of new skills among the employees, it will easily attract to the new blood in the society. Okay, then people will give good preference to that organization which providing in the organization planning and uh, growth facility. Whenever organization make good planning for the growth of skills of their employees in the organization, then it will easily attract to the people in the society in the recruitment process. Then company size. Here company size also one major factor which influence to the recruitment process. Whenever the company size is very big, company has so many branches or a department in various regionals, then company required a huge number of human resources. Then according to this process, this design structure of recruitment process. Whenever company size is very small, they need a low number of human resources. They design a simple structure for recruitment process. Okay. Next, company product or services. Here, company product or services also one major factors which influence to the recruitment process. Whenever company production is very high, our company provided a multi-dimensional services in various levels, then company required a huge number of workforce in the organization. Whenever company product to low level or services extend to small area, then company required a low number of employees. That's why recruitment process will be designed according to this need. Then geographical spread of the companies. Okay, it is also major factor. Whenever companies spread their activities, business activities in different geographical regional, then company recruitment process according to need of that geographical conditions and regional places. Whenever company activities spread throughout the various different regional of the country or outside of the country, then company has to need to recruit a huge amount of workforce in the organization. Next, company growth rate. Here, whenever company acquiring good profit, company has a good financial position, growth rate of the company increasing day by day, company activities extended day by day, it is necessary recruit many persons in various level according to the need, according to the diversification, or according to the extension of the business activities to meet this growth rate. Then cost of recruitment. Here cost of recruitment also play a major role in recruitment process. Why? Because if organization size is small, they will not ready to bear a high cost. If organization size is big, they are ready to bear a high cost. That's why if organization size is big, organization financial position is very good, that type of organization design the structure good global level recruitment structure. If organization size is small, they will design the structure of recruitment to meet the local level. Next, company's name and fame. Here company's name and fame also play a vital role in a recruitment process. When company has good name and fame in the society, in a national level or global level, it will attract the more person come forward to the company and put their application. If a company has no good name or fame in the society, it will not attract to the new skillful person or experienced person. Okay, these are the internal factors which are influence lot to the recruitment process. Okay, let us discuss about the external factors, how this will be influenced to the recruitment process. First, supply and demand factors. Here supply and demand factors also play here major role in recruitment process. Why? Because the supply of the skillful persons or experienced persons plays major role in recruitment process. If abundant number of skillful persons and experienced persons are available in the society, it is easy to recruit those persons in the market. But demand is very high, then organization designs pay structure to meet the skillful person. Then whenever supply is more available in the society, it is easy to recruit the skillful persons and experienced person. Okay, that's why recruitment process depend large upon the supply and demand of the workforce who are available in the society. Then employment rate. Employment rate also play major role in the recruitment process. Whenever one country has a good employment rate and a low unemployment rate, recruitment process is very easy, and it is very easy to search a qualitative and skillful person. Whenever unemployment rate is very high, then it is very difficult to find a skillful and experienced person. Why? Because here so many persons come to organization and put their applications for particular specific job. Then organization has to design structure, use structure to in various level to select those candidate for that post. Labor market and condition. Here labor market and conditions situations in the society or one nations also affect the recruitment process. When a labor market and conditions are very easy, they fit to the organization need. Labor market and conditions meet the organization goal, then organization will design the recruitment process according to this and easily recruit the necessary workforce in the organization. Labor market conditions are very difficult, then it is very um, difficult to procure the required human resources from the society. Okay, that's why government has to see provide good conditions for the procurement of employees or workforce for the organization. Next, political, legal, and government factors. You know that how political factor play vital role in recruitment process. Some pressures are there while recruitment process is going in our organization. Some political leader will call the organization management and he pressured to recruit specific persons in that specific post. Sometimes legal aspect also play vital role in a recruitment process. Government organization has to follow in some time recruitment legal process. Okay, then government factors. Here government policies are rules may be changes due to changes arising the changes in government. According to these changes, recruitment process will also changes. Okay, government may changes the rules regulation regarding the category reservation or liberation conditions liberations. According to these changes, organization has to conduct the recruitment process. Then information system like employment. If in one nation has good information system of employment, then it is easy to mobilize a huge number of persons and attract the work of people in various region easily to come forward for the recruitment. When information is not so good, it is very difficult to conduct recruitment process and pass the information that is recruitment process is going on in that particular company, like employment exchange offices. When good employment exchanges offices are available, then they will intimate this information to the various candidates who are registered in that department. Okay, then socio-economic factor. Socio-economic factor also play a vital role and influence a lot to the recruitment process, such as the education pattern, gender, family background, or income level, economical conditions, inflation rate, or economic crisis also play major role. Some time of if organization need to fulfill a specific post, male may also be eligible for that post. If some type of post need some specific skills, some specific experience, some type of post required education background. Okay, okay, these are also affect a lot to the recruitment process. Okay, this is the information regarding the recruitment meaning, uh, objectives of recruitment, and various factors influence to the recruitment process. Okay, thank you very much to all.